Good day folks, how's everyone doing? It's Matthew here. Wanted to show you something here pretty interesting. What I've got here is a piece of white oak that I've cut up into 5 individual pieces. As you can see, the grain is continuous throughout, and I've sanded each piece to a different grit. And look at the various outcomes that is achieved in terms of color and how the grain has been revealed. So what we have here is 120 grit, 320 grit, 600, 1000, and 4000. So I kind of went from one extreme to the other, and check this out. So as you can see, the reflection of the light in the 4000 grit and how it changes throughout the grits, and the reflectivity going all the way back down to 120. Next step is to get some finish on and show you the end results. With Odie's oil, there are no sanding restrictions. You can sand to any grit, achieve any sheen, and really highlight different nuances of the wood that you're working with. Next video, we'll be getting the finish applied and looking at these again. Alright folks, so as you can see from up here, it doesn't look like there's a great deal of difference. But let's get you down at more of a raking angle and take a closer look at these pieces. Alright folks, so here we are, part 3, the final part to the sanding series. We have 5 individual pieces of white oak cut out from one plank, with each one being sanded to a different grit. The sheen differences, the depth and tonality of the color of the wood, and the reflectivity really becomes apparent as you look at them from some different angles. Pretty awesome that you can be in full control and simply by your sanding control how your piece looks and feels. Let's get in here with the light reflection test. You can see how it varies throughout the different grits. And each of these pieces are beautiful in their own right. When you're looking for a lower matte satin sheen, you can keep your grit sanding down into the 120, 150, 180, up to 320. And as you want to build more depth and sheen, 400, 600, 800, that's a really nice sweet spot. And if you really want to give it the gusto for some special high-end artistic pieces, get up into the 1000 and beyond grits. Now you can also build upon sheen, depth, and luster with additional coats and by using the various products in the lineup, and we'll be getting into that as well. Hope you enjoyed this folks. We'll see you out here on the next one.